Hi family, welcome back or welcome. If you are new here, on this channel we make hair care recipes with things you can find from around your kitchen and turn it into DIY hair care. If you are on a journey to healthier, longer, thicker hair, then this is the place to be. Please subscribe to my channel for everything hair care, beauty, and skincare. In today's video, I'm going to show you not one but two ways you can make your very own DIY aloe vera oil at home. At the end of the video, you can decide which method works best for you. First thing first, which is very important, is removing the yellow liquid from the plant. The yellow substance is called alon, also known as aloe latex, and it is a beta potent laxative found in the outer ring of the aloe vera leaf. You can get this out by letting your aloe vera to soak in water for 30 minutes and change the water twice. Some people love to let it sit overnight just to be on the safe side. If you have very sensitive scalp or very itchy scalp, you should let it sit overnight. Some people are allergic to the latex that is in the aloe vera plant. My daughters are allergic to it. It gives them itchy scalp. But as for me, I am not. But I will be using this on my girls too, so I decided to get rid of it. We are going to be using the aloe vera skin as well. Some of the very best and effective nutrients are found in the skin, and we want every last nutrients we can get. Now that my aloe vera is clean, I'm going to dry it a bit to remove as much water as possible. I know aloe vera has a running gel, but better to get rid of the water because we all know water and oil doesn't mix. But now that my aloe vera is dry, I'm going to chop them into very small pieces. Many of you guys may know what aloe vera is, but for those of you who are not sure what aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant which contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It may be used to prevent wrinkles, to tangle hair, helps with healthy hair, and among many more benefits. This amazing plant is both good for internal and external use. Aloe vera has been used for centuries as a natural source to treat many skin conditions. This wonderful plant has countless benefits for both your hair and skin. This plant can be used on your hair and your skin. Today, I will share a few of the amazing benefits this plant can provide for your hair. Aloe vera offers several compelling benefits for hair growth and overall hair health. It is rich in vitamins, including vitamin A, C, and E. It helps nourish the scalp and fight free radicals damage. It creates a healthier environment for hair follicles to thrive. The amino acids in aloe vera contribute to stronger, more resilient hair by supporting the structural integrity of the strands and reducing breakage from the inside out. Its natural enzymes gently cleanse the scalp, helping to remove dead skin cells and excess buildup that can clog follicles and impede growth. Aloe vera humectant properties help retain moisture, which aids in preventing dryness and brittleness that can lead to hair thinning. By supporting better moisture balance, it helps maintain smooth, manageable hair with improved elasticity. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities can ease scalp irritation and reduce conditions like dandruff, which often disrupts the scalp environment and can hinder growth. Aloe vera also has soothing effects that can alleviate itching and discomfort, contributing to a more stable and comfortable scalp. Its lightweight, non-greasy nature makes it suitable for a range of hair types, from straight too curly, helping to maintain shine and overall vitality without weighing head down. After slicing up my aloe vera, I'm going to share it into two so I can start the first method. You are going to need a blender and you are going to put all your chopped aloe vera in the blender. I'm going to use 1 cup of coconut oil. You can use any oil, but for this video, I'm going to use coconut oil because coconut oil is one of my favorite oils. Now I'm going to blend the mixture together until you get a smoothie consistency. Again, you can use any oils of your choice, but I'm going to use coconut oil. I'm going to pour all of the mixture in a pot. After you add the mixture in a pot, you need to be mixing it every 5 to 10 minutes. Do not put the stove on too high. Medium is fine so it can slowly cook. After 30 minutes, you will notice your oil will start foaming. You just have to cook it until all the water from the aloe vera is dried out and your aloe vera has infused in your oil. After an hour, your oil should look something like this. After, put it aside, let it cool off. While it is cooling down, we are gonna start method number 2. For method number 2, we are going to reach for our aloe vera that we put to the side. You want to go ahead and dice it into smaller pieces. I find it to be more effective. Dice it into very small pieces so it is easier for it to infuse into the oil. After that, I'm going in with 1 cup of coconut oil. As I mentioned earlier, you can use any type of oils of your choice, and you can also use more than one oils. Now I'm going to add my diced aloe vera into the warm oil. You want to make sure you keep stirring so that your aloe vera doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. After about 40 minutes, your oil is ready. You can put it aside to cool down. Now we are going back to method number 1 and we are going to get a glass jar and a strainer. So we're going to strain the oil to remove all the pieces of aloe vera. This method makes the oil very dark because we blend the aloe vera so all the nutrients was definitely in this oil. After, you can use a cheesecloth to strain it again to remove all the tiny particles that manage to pass through the strainer. If you do not mind having tiny particles in your oil, you can skip this step. I will be using this oil to make our hair moisturizer or aloe vera hair butter and also aloe vera skin butter with the other type of oil. So I want to make sure I remove all the particles. Watch out for that video as well. So this is method number 1 and this looks so amazing. I'm going to add some vitamin E oil later on to extend the shelf life of my oil. This oil looks so great and I love the color. This scream potent, this scream strong, this scream powerful. The color reminds me of my SUBCRIBE Herbal Ayurvedic Hair Growth Oil, but we do not use heat with the oil. We let it to naturally infuse for over 30 days to preserve all the nutrients. So if you want to check it out, it is on my website. If you don't have time to make your own herbal Ayurvedic hair oils, and you don't have all of those ingredients, now check my website for my herbal oils on it. My SUBCRIBE oil comes with 21 all natural, organic, and Ayurvedic ingredients. Now we are going to move to method number 2 again. We are going to strain the oil to remove all the aloe vera. This oil is a lot clearer than the method number 1 oil. This one, we dice it up in smaller pieces, but the first method, we blend it. So there you have it, guys. 2 ways to make your aloe vera oil. Method number one has a dark green color. Method number two has a brown color. I'm going to store this oil in my 2-ounce glass bottle. The smell is amazing because we added our essential oils to it. Comment down below which method you like the best. If you do try it, which method will you choose? I know this video is a bit long, but I tried to make it as detailed as possible. I didn't want to skip any step. This is 100% pure aloe vera oil. So this is all the natural. This is nothing added that you did not see. I really hope that this video was very informative and you can try making your own aloe vera oil at home. All the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. So check it out. If you miss anything, everything will be linked down in the description box. Last but not the least, I know you will want to know how can you use this oil. You can use this oil as a hot oil treatment. You can also oil your scalp to help promote hair growth, thickness, and help strengthen your hair. You can add it to your deep conditioner or your conditioner. You can moisturize and seal your hair ends. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new today. Knowledge is power. Please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share with anyone you think it will help. Sharing is caring. I will see you in my next video. If you want to check out my hair care products, I will leave the link down in the description box for you and also in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I will sketch you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.